Hello there, beautiful makers. Today I will show you how to make this braided embellishment and add it to your project. I use this braid in the project of making this bag. The tutorial for this bag is from Habit Made, not mine, and I will include the link in the description so you can go ahead and see how it's done without the braid. But you are welcome to use this braid in this or other projects. Let's begin. Take your left cord from these two cords, cross it over the right cord and bring it through the loop. Leave this cord alone, take the next two. Your right cord will go under your left cord. Bring your left cord behind and you will be putting it through this loop right there. Okay. Leave the right cord alone. Take your next two cords, bring your left cord over the right one, pass it on the back and bring it in the loop over right here. Make sure that you pull it this way to create a braid. Again, leave this cord alone and your next two cords will be these ones. The left cord goes over the right and it will go in this loop right here on the back. Bring it to the back and pass it through. And here you have it. And one more time. Over, behind, through, on this side. Now, if we want our braid to meet in the middle, we can start from this side. The same gist, the right cord over the left and through the loop. Leave this alone. Now, the right cord over the left, around and on the back, going through that opening right there. There you have it. Leave this alone. Pick your next two cords right over the left, on the back, and through. Leave this behind. Next two cords right over the left and through right here. Now you have these met in the middle. Very pretty. Now you can make a square knot here. And there you have it. And here is where I use this braid. You see? This is how it was met in the middle. So both sides, the braid is going down. Going down this way, and it's going down this way. I hope you liked this short tutorial and will use this braid in your project. Thank you for watching and happy making!